lead me on, but leave before the morning comes. Even though it's what we want, can't keep it up. But I just had.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is joyashleeyy. Ignore the sound of the chickens. Anyways, my phone is about to die, but before it dies, I was supposed to make myself all back. That's why my hair is like this, because I washed it yesterday. And then I was going through my laptop and I came across this previous clip of me from last year. I was making a vlog, Temu haul of everything I got, room decors to be precise. So I'm going to show you that clip from last year, I think September or October-ish. That was even before I started YouTube. But I'll show you the clip and then maybe I'm going to show you clip of me making my hair. I don't know, but anyhow it goes, because this it's not giving at all. And the phone battery is very low. That is what I think it made my screen look dark. It's not bright.
Just don't wanna leave you. Might just know it a reason why we both can't lay here.
Today is Friday, September 19th. This is 5:36. I got some things from Temu. Let's start with this one, a sunset lamp, and got a pink sunset lamp. Without a battery. Let me test it if it works. My power bank is actually here. So oh, it works. Oh my god. I think I'm going to leave it like this. Oh my god. If there were a battery in this thing, I would have like switched to color. So it has this manual. I don't know. I don't want to start reading manuals for you guys. So this is the remote. It's an RGB type of sunset lamp. Next item, vine hanger. And this is the vines. Okay, a strip light. I got 20 meter strip light, and this is the remote. This is a wall hanger. Everything I got, they're basically room decor and some personal items. Bathroom shelf. What's this? My leg chain. This one is a butterfly type. Yeah. Hat. Look at that. And this one is stars. Next on the list is bonnet. Ooh. Like, gosh, this is giving peak. Oh, it's so cute, and it's in heart shape. This is very big. And I got this one for my hair dryer. I hope it fits. Let me try it. I'll be back. It does. I got this very minimal wall collage. They're like very tiny. I didn't know they were going to be this small, but they are enough, like a lot of it. Yes, there's still some here. Very cute. And lastly, this. I think that's everything I got. Hope nothing is missing because I can't. Oh yeah, I got nails. Almond shaped nail, and it came with this.
She said, take your time, what's no rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mother. She said, take your time, what's no rush? I said, baby,
I'm starting to make the hair, but I cannot see the back of my head, so I also try to make the front as neat as I can. So, well, my intention is to wear this under a wig anyway, so it doesn't really matter even though I make it rough or not. Just make something. But I will be back when I'm done with this hair. Bye. I've done one. It's not, the lines is not very neat, but I'll manage. And I've finished parting this one. I'm using my Lush conditioner. It's almost finished. And then this or this, it just depends. I'm using this rat tail comb to part. Yeah, that's basically it. And I'm currently watching Step Up that is like 2006. That's what I'm watching.
and secret, both gotta keep it honest, that's just a game, you know, people don't play. For tonight, I'm yours, so tonight, or stay behind closed doors, 'cause all I wanna do is lie.
For done, I'm more to go. Oh Jesus, my hand is paining me. My hand is aching. I'm actually good at this though. Right? See how long my hair is. I'm going to get snacks because I cannot be making my hair watching something without putting something in my mouth. So I have this 500 naira that I used to buy something. I don't know what I want to buy though. I'm going and I'll be back. I'm back and my mom actually gave me custard. I just bought some things. Let's do haul, mini haul. Cocoa Puffs, Gala. There's one that has this golden more stuff, but this is not the golden more one. This one is amazing gift, so I got this one. I got 2 milk, sugar, and sweet. And then she gave me this kuli. So I'll use one of the kuli to eat my custard. Yeah, while I watch, and then I'm going to continue this hair when I'm done. So this is like me taking a break. I didn't finish this hair, and the time is 2:13. I've done 10, 7 here and 3 here. So I'll finish it tomorrow, and then I'll show you like the final result. But for now, I'm going to sleep. Good night. Good morning. The time is 9:51, 52 now, and it's raining. So I'm going to finish this part of my hair. I think it's remaining 3 or 4. Yeah. 3. So I'll finish it and then I'm going to come back. I'm finally done making the hair. I'm sure the back is not very fine, but I will manage. I will manage. I have a very small hair though. I did my edges and I'm done. Done. But anyways, this is going to be the end of this vlog. If you enjoyed this video so far, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Follow my shoes, link in description and bio, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.